Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm the business owner of Cleveland Bespoke Flooring and Tiling. Today I'm going to show you some of the projects that I've completed and some of the materials and tools that I've used. Right, let's get going. I've been a floor layer for 12 years. I've recently become self-employed. I've been self-employed now for 6 months. I've gone from starting off from just fitting normal room carpets to now the more experienced things, fitting herringbone LVT. I also do runners on staircases, that type of thing. You can check out my Instagram and my Facebook to see all this. And I've also now expanded and I want to go into the tiling world. It's been a long journey as a floor layer. During that time, I've met my beautiful wife, we've been married, we've got a house and we've got a beautiful dog called Nala. My ambitions for the future are I'd like to open a showroom and I'd love to expand my business more. As an LVT and laminate installer, I have lots of machines on the van. Especially this one, the Evolution R255 double bevel sliding miter saw, where you can get 50 degrees left, 50 degrees right, ideal for them awkward cuts on laminate and both LVT. So the Evolution Fury 6 is my absolute go-to machine. You can run long planks of laminate through, ideal for finishing off ends of rooms. This also turns into a miter saw as well, ideal for little cuts that you might have to do. It's portable, lightweight, and ideal for taking on big jobs. Because this is small, lightweight and portable, this is so much better than using a jigsaw as well. I'm now going to go and see a previous client where I've done some flooring for them in the annex. Let's go.
We built a double garage with some accommodation above and office space. Basically for when me and my wife are working at home, so we have the extra space away from the house, just so we've got a bit more privacy and we can keep all our files safe and away from the children. Now that we've gone back into the office a bit more, the accommodation above the garage itself can be put on like Airbnb or booking.com as well. You have to go through like architects, speak to your local authorities, building control, to see if it's actually fit for purpose for the area as well and whether it'll blend in with the sort of street scenes as such. It's quite a hard and difficult task if you've got awkward neighbours as such. You have to go through like the planning processes, which can take in excess of 6 months at the moment for our local area. So basically what we have downstairs is a double garage space with also an area at the back of the garage where you can relax away from sort of the office space upstairs, with some bifold doors at the rear, just to really accentuate the aspect of the brightness and the light in a nice area to chill out. And then upstairs we have a bedroom at the rear, an office at the front and a shower room, toilet facilities. So we wanted a hard wearing, durable floor covering that would be long lasting, so that's why we chose the products that we've chosen, the carpets, on the recommendation of Matthew. So we chose the carpet in the bedroom just for the look and comfort and feel. Obviously when you get out of bed it's quite a nice thing. Throughout the landing and into the lounge we've actually chose the same product. Just obviously we wanted it to feel homely. In the office area we've got the luxury vinyl click tile, was chosen for the chair really, so that you can glide. You can put your heavy printer and scanner onto that area as well, and then we've got the vinyl in the bathroom, which is obviously a wet area, so it's easy clean and a good product.
So this is a recent job that I've completed myself. We went for a herringbone look. We also went for the SPC LVT plastic, much better than the laminate. The SPC is waterproof, it's scratch resistant, comes built in with a 1mm underlay in the back to give that acoustic dulling sound. And also this is now the in thing that everybody wants, the herringbone. So the LVT SPC is very easy to click together. As you can see, very DIY friendly. If you'd like to find out how I put the floor together, click the link in the description below. Thanks for coming to visit me to find out more about myself and my business. If you'd like to find out how I laid the floor, click the link in the description below.